Hola guys, it's Mom Dukes here. Gracias. Thanks for tuning in. And if you haven't guessed by now, it's gonna be van build. Yes, I'm sitting out here in my van, and this is gonna be a DIY today for you guys. And basically all I plan on doing is just redoing my van build. If you haven't watched that video, I'll drop a link to that below at the end of the video so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Very simple, very quick, very easy. You know, just something quick and easy. You got to make sure everybody is comfortable when you're going camping. Again, guys, thanks for tuning in. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button for me. Like this video, share this video, because guess what? When you like and you share it, it circulates us. It circulate our community, our family, so everybody can know too what Duke's over here doing. She not doing nothing but making it make sense. I gotta do something a little bit different for this van build because, like I said, we all gotta be comfortable in here. I'm gonna be making a bed area for my van because you guys should already know I love going camping. I'll drop that down below as well. We've been doing it roughly for a few years now, a couple of years going on, I believe our third year now. It's nothing like actually being outside and actually camping and having a full experience. It's totally different than backyard camping. Backyard camping means you can go in a house when you want to take a shower, you can go in a house when you need to use the bathroom, you know, those things. When you're outdoors, it's a little bit different. But I mean, it's perfectly fine for us because we're outdoors people. We're outdoors people. And we love it. We love nature. We love being outside. So I'm going to make a quick, simple, easy bed setup for my van build. I'm going to show you as far as what I've already done, meaning that I took one seat out. I'm leaving one seat in because I am going to be utilizing that seat for as far as our head cushion area, along with pillows as well. And then stretch out as far as go outward and have it to where we can have for our legs and so forth, with enough room to get in and kind of move and maneuver if we had to. Basically, that's my whole goal set up, is what I'm planning to do. Also, I know you like, so how you gonna have it standing up? Or now you gonna have it in a way? I'm just gonna call it my bed frame setup. And you know why? Because it's not literally technically going to have legs and so forth, but I am still going to be able to pack my van within camping gear and a nice setup to where I can have everything stored underneath. So that's what we're aiming, and that's our goal. Now, we plan on going camping soon. Little wood burning stove work, because that works for cooking and camping outside, and also for a hot tent to keep the tent and the inside warm, just in case if it's you want to go camping a little bit more in the fall when it got a little crisp and y'all could be close and cuddle. You know what I'm saying? You and your boo, you and your babe. That's what I'm saying. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the space that I'm working with. I do have a few items within the car that's actually going to be moved and so forth. So a lot of stuff is going to be moved around. A couple of things are going to be taken out for now until I get everything situated. But I hope you guys enjoy this build. It's going to be, like I said, this part is the most of it, because when it get time for me to get to the video part, that, or the setup part, that's going to be very, 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 very easy to do. And then I know you guys probably like, so how much you spending on this build? Absolutely $0. Nothing. I'm spending absolutely nothing. You know why? I'm using recycled pellet wood and also roofing nails, or nails that I've already have, because I've taken nails out. I recycled those as well, and I have enough things to use to get my build set up, because what I'm not doing is going to nobody's Home Depot, nobody's Menards, nobody's Lowe's to go buy a sheet of plywood for this build. I'm not going to be doing that, and I need a whole type of sheet. So I'm going to be building me a platform base for my bed. And I'm going to list everything in the description for you guys below. I think as far as spec wise that you would need to know, I'm going to have it there for you. But when I get ready to do my build and get ready to put it in and show you guys how it's going to be set up, I'm really not going to be doing any talking through that because I'm already telling you now, and it's going to be in the description box below as well for you, because I've already got my pallet wood disassembled, meaning it's all taken apart. And I use the what is that called? The jigsaw, I believe that's what that's called. I think that's what that's called. That's what we use to get those slats off, because I wanted to use all of them because, one, they were perfectly good wood. Two, nice thickness in the sense of thick and the width of it. So very easy, quick for me to go ahead and cut them to size. I already did my measurements. So like I said, this is going to be a very quick video. I do thank you guys. I do appreciate you guys. So again, from Mom Dukes Casa to Tukasa, thank you guys and enjoy. Okay, so y'all got to see that little brief of me having it together. Now I have a few more things that I will have to place in here, but other than that, I think the build is pretty good. As you see, that's the setup. So I am going to show you the setup, and I'm going to show you as far as for camping as well. That'll be in that video. But this, I'm gonna go on back there and see if y'all not gonna be able to see me too well. Let me see. Let me turn it. Okay, we get like that, and then I'll show you. We got the back part, but this will be so comfortable for both me and the mister. Of course, push chairs up, but this, because we got the cushion underneath, and then if we place it like our sleeping bags in here, like I said, if it's raining and we want to be in here, we're able to. So, and as you see, I'm on both sides. So I'm just saying, this is very comfortable, guys. Like, I can literally come out here and go to sleep. That's what I'm talking about. So you saw the pillows. Good vibes only. So again, guys, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this build. This is very simple, very quick, very easy. As y'all saw, you can do it. You can go camping, go outside, view nature, visit nature, be one with nature, and enjoy your life. So, as a good word that they would normally say when you're about to go camping, happy trails, because that's where I'm going, camping. Happy trails, guys. I hope again you enjoyed this video. Very quick, very simple. You don't have to spend any money to build you a nice little bed platform for your van. And this is a is this a 2000 or not? I think this is a 1999 or either a 2000 Dodge Caravan. So I'm just saying, like, this old, and y'all see that I'm making her make sense. Multi-purpose vehicle, picking up supplies, picking up kids, hauling things back and forth, camping, multi-purpose. Just saying, make your vehicle work for you, not you work for your vehicle. With that being said, guys, I love you. Dukes, I'm out.